At Metron Technics, we are specialized in CNC machining of aluminum parts. More specific, we machine electronic enclosures and all kinds of mechanical components used in machinery, buildings, consumer products and more. Each part is machined following your drawings and specifications. Several checks throughout the manufacturing process must ensure the best result. In our machining workshop, we have milling and turning machines working around the clock. We produce small, as well as large volumes. Processed materials are aluminum, steel, stainless steel and brass. And we also machine plastic components. Fabricating components also means we need a good quality control system. At Metron Technics, we are dedicated to supply high quality components. Next, we meet tight delivery schedules. Each project is reviewed by our skilled team. Products will only leave the factory when they meet your requirements. Order your parts today.